Go! Khadijah Shaw takes the Reggae Girls to the World Cup with that screamer. And it's a goal for Khadijah Shaw. From she turns, puts on the right foot, and she hits it. And it's a goal for Khadijah Shaw. Leave the keeper flat on her face. Definitely, this is it, people. Definitely, this is it. There's no other way around it, people. There's no other way around it. This is most definitely Jamaica. The Reggae Girls going to the World Cup. Let me put it on mute. This is no other way, people. This is no other way than the Reggae Girls going to the World Cup. We are going to the World Cup, people. Yes. We are not at the best at this moment. Yes, but guess what? When we get to the World Cup, I do believe that we can fix things. There's a lot of things that we can fix going forward. It's not perfect right now, but we can fix things. We saw what happened against the USA. Remember that the USA is world champion. Remember that. Remember that they are world champion. Remember that people said military Guna is delusional because I said we can win games. Guess what? Guess what? Who's delusional now? We're going to the World Cup. Khadijah Shaw taking the Reggae Girls to the World Cup. Let me close off by showing you guys this. Say about that. Say something to that, people. I'll see you guys again. We are out. Boom.